I'll be explaining the process of dehumidification and heating. So let's start. So problem number 1. So air at 30 degrees Celsius and 60% relative humidity passes through a desiccant bed. It leaves at 45 degrees Celsius with a humidity ratio of 0.08 kilogram vapor per kilogram of dry air. Calculate the change in enthalpy. So in this problem, we'll be using the cyclomatic chart to find the values. So in T1, 30 degrees and relative humidity at 16%. So we can find the H1 at 71.21 and the humidity ratio at 0.016. So I'll be inserting the cyclometric chart for this problem. Next is we have T2, which is 45 degrees Celsius, and the final humidity ratio at 0.008 kilogram vapor per kilogram dry air. So we need to find the change in enthalpy. So to find this, we need to find the enthalpy 2 first. So to get this, we will be using the formula H is equals to 1.006 times T plus the humidity ratio times 2501 plus 1.86 T. So insert the value we have, so 1.006 times 45 plus 0.008 times 2501 plus 1.86 times 45. We'll be taking the value at 65.94 kilojoules per kilogram. Next is the change in enthalpy. So by this, we need to multiply subtract H1 minus H2, which is 71.2 minus 61.94. It will result in 5.26 kilojoules per kilogram. Next is in problem 2. So at problem 2, 2.5 kilograms per second of air enters a dehumidifier at the humidity ratio 0.018 kilogram vapor per kilogram of dry air. It leaves at the humidity ratio at 0.05 kilogram vapor per kilogram dry air. How much water is removed per hour? So we have the given 2.5 kilograms per second. Humidity ratio at state 1 is 0.018 kilograms vapor per kilogram dry air. State 2 humidity ratio is 0.05 kilogram vapor per kilogram dry air. So the required here is the mass of water. So to get the mass of water, we will be using the formula mass of water is equals to mass of air times the humidity ratio of state 1 minus the W2. So plugging the value, which has 2.5 kilograms per second times 0.088 times 0.05 kilogram per vapor per kilogram dry air. So cancel out the kilograms of dry air. Should be left at 0.0325 kilograms per second. Since we need to get the in kilogram per hour, we need to multiply by 3,600 seconds. So that will be result in 117 kilogram per hour. For number 3, air enters at dew point of 20 degrees Celsius and leaves a dehumidifier at 40 degrees Celsius to the dew point of 5 degrees Celsius. Find the change in humidity ratio. So we have at temperature 2.1, which is 23 degrees Celsius. And using the psychometric chart, I'll be inserting it in the video. So we'll be getting the value of humidity ratio at 0.0147 kilogram vapor per kilogram dry air. Dew point 2, which is 40 degrees Celsius, we'll be getting a humidity ratio at 0.0054 kilogram vapor per kilogram dry air. And temperature is 5 degrees Celsius. So, since we have already the values, we'll be getting the change in humidity ratio using W1 minus W2. So, since we already have the value, we already can plug in the values now. So, 0.0147 minus 0.054 to result in 0.093 kilogram vapor per kilogram of air. That is all.